Hi friends and welcome back to our channel K2 and Family. Today I'm going to show you one of the most loved recipe from Goa, and it's loved all over the world, and it's none other than pork vindaloo. And to do this, let's go and start. To begin to do with the pork vindaloo, let's do the masala first, and for that we need to take 12 to 15 Kashmiri red chilies, about 1.5 inch of cinnamon stick, 18 to 20 black peppercorn, 10 to 12 cloves, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 15 to 16 garlic cloves. These are fed garlic cloves, so I'm using about 15 to 16. If it's smaller, use 20. 1 inch of ginger, 5 tablespoons of vinegar. This is marble sized tamarind soaked in water. A little bit of water, about 100 ml. Just going to make a pulp of it. I'm going to add it on here. Now let's grind this to a smooth paste. This is how it's going to be once it's been grounded. Let's take 1 kg of pork. Now let's season this with some salt. Now let's put all the masala that we have grounded. Now let's mix all this well and keep it marinated for at least 5 to 6 hours. Much better to keep it overnight. And as I said, I've used boneless meat for this. It's a pork belly what I'm using. You can use anything of your choice. Now I'm going to cover this with a clean wrap. I'm going to leave it overnight, as I said, and the next day I'm going to cook it. And in this mixer jar, whatever the masala is remaining, I'm going to add 1 cup of water. So I'm going to drain everything out from here at time when I need to cook. Now let's just take 1 tablespoon of oil. Here I'm going to add 1 large onion finely chopped. Now let's fry this until it's a little bit golden brown. So our onions are completely caramelized now. It looks very nice. Now it's the time to add the meat in here. So this is the 1 cup of water which I used from the mixer. Now I'm going to add it in here. Now I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of sugar. Now let's mix all well together. Add some salt as per taste. I want some more gravy from this vindaloo. So I'm going to add a little bit more water, which is about like half cup of this. You can add accordingly to your consistency. I'm going to cover this with a lid, cook it for about 25 minutes on a medium flame. So friends, our pork vindaloo is ready. If you liked our recipe, please show some love by liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel. Until then, stay safe, God bless you all, and my final word to say, adios.